This week I'm testing the Volkswagen T-Roc, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the auto lock and unlock doors. Just having the key on my person, I can touch the handle and lock it, and the same when I want to walk away. Number 2 is the hidden drawer underneath the driver's seat. Find it great for popping my phone or house keys in when we're going to the park or the beach. Number 3 is the map that comes up in the driver's display and makes it easy to navigate while you're driving. I've really enjoyed driving the T-Roc this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.